Since 1959, Mike Turner has bought 5 cars, 3 refrigerators, 4 TV sets, and 1 lawnmower. A commercial Yazoo, America's original big wheel machine. The Yazoo is built for professional turf men who work their mowers 8 hours a day. Some homeowners are still using Yazoos they bought 15 or 20 years ago. Sure, you say, but I bet they don't build them like they used to. Well, you're right. We build them better. Now, we don't recommend this. We did it to prove a point. The new Yazoos are built tougher than ever. You should always pick up objects in the yard before you mow, but if you should hit something, be glad you've got a Yazoo. Imagine what this would do to a regular mower. Here's a regular mower blade, and here's a Yazoo blade. It's twice as thick. When you hit something solid, you don't end up replacing your crankshaft or your engine, because the blade is up here, and the engine is back there, protected by Yazoo's indirect blade drive. The belts absorb the shock, so the most expensive part of your mower is undamaged. A very important advantage of Yazoo's original big wheel design. Notice how the weight of the machine is balanced over the big wheels. This makes it stable and easy to handle, especially on slopes and uneven, rough terrain. And it's strong. When the going gets rough, Yazoo's big wheels keep on rolling. Big wheels, little push. Little wheels, big push. Here's where the big wheel design really pays off. You go in high and come back low to make short work of tall weeds. Wheels are mounted inside the cutting line, so you can trim close in corners. If you're looking for a self-propelled mower, this is the simplest, most positive mower drive made. The speed is constant, uphill or down. You can even select the most comfortable range of walking speeds for you just by changing the size of the driver. The heavy-duty knobby tires flex and clean themselves as you roll. These tires will actually outwear the hardened steel drivers. For special conditions, solid tires are available. Here's a Yazoo that pulls double duty as a lawn vacuum. We call it the vacuum mulch. Take a look at this exclusive Yazoo design. See how this tunnel gets bigger toward the ejection port? This creates a strong vacuum. It sucks up clippings, thatch, small twigs, chips, paper, and pine straw, and shoots them into the bag. The Yazoo is a maintenance man's dream. Take a good look at this engine. It's not aluminum. This is a cast iron industrial engine, standard on the big wheel Yazoo. It's got an extra large gas tank and oil reservoir to keep you mowing. This isn't one of those throwaway engines. When it finally shows wear, have it rebored for a moderate charge and put it back to work. Every Yazoo comes with an automatic compression release so it'll crank easy. Clutches are standard on the B33 and H66 models, optional on others. Here's another Yazoo exclusive, the Snorkel. Instead of trapping dust from the blades, it feeds clean air from up top. This Snorkel alone has actually reduced engine failures by 80% since Yazoo introduced it. Dirt is the enemy of small engines. That's why we use a special heavy-duty air cleaner mounted high up so it can get clean air. And the filter is disposable. Clean air, clean oil for long engine life. Notice the all-steel gas tank? No plastic tanks on a Yazoo. Everything on a Yazoo is built to last. The matched belts are oil resistant and heat resistant. The V8 pickup didn't break it even in low gear. The blades spin on heavy-duty sealed ball bearings, above and below. Height adjustment is simple and positive. In the range that Yazoo research has shown, is used by 95% of mower users. Nothing fancy, nothing to break. Yazoo makes 11 different big wheel models. Most parts for all of them are interchangeable. Grips, belts, bearings, pulleys, guards, bags, nuts, bolts, and washers. They're all interchangeable. Commercial turf men love Yazoos because of the simple maintenance. Just keep your Yazoo serviced and your Yazoo will keep you mowing. Let's talk a minute about safety. The Yazoo design itself is safer. To start the engine, you stand safely behind the mower. The vacuum mulch models have a one-piece unitized body of 16-gauge steel with a solid skirt all around, and a special guard for when you aren't using the grass bag. The flat deck model is built of heavy-gauge sheet steel. The steel guards are reinforced with tubular steel. And the rock guard will stop a .22 bullet. We do our best to build safety features into every Yazoo model, but statistics show that 95 times out of 100, mower accidents are caused by the way the machine is operated and not the machine itself. Read your owner's manual carefully, and then read Yazoo's special safety booklet. There's 11 Yazoo big wheels to choose from 20-inch right on up to 26-inch models. Which one is right for you? No matter which Yazoo you choose, you can be sure you'll get your money's worth and then some. Yazoos last an average of 10.6 years, and that includes commercial users who work their Yazoos 8 hours a day. How many mowers have you bought so far? Maybe you should buy only one mower, a commercial Yazoo. In residential use, it should last you a lifetime.